Welcome to the new batch of class 11. A heartiest congratulations to all the students. Okay, you all have entered the higher secondary level now. And also welcome since you'll be learning a very dynamic subject this year, which you have been studying, in fact, that is geography. And I'll make sure that you all fall in love with the subject. All right. Okay, till now, you have been studying geography under the social studies, isn't it? Now, from this year, that is from class 11, you will study geography as an independent subject. Okay? So, there will be no social studies now. Rather, the social studies or the social science subjects will be dealt independently. ठीक है क्योंकि ज्योग्राफी एक डायनेमिक सब्जेक्ट हो जाता है जब हम क्लास 11 एंड 12 एंड योर ग्रेजुएशन या पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करते हैं ठीक है ओके सो we will be starting our class today with the first chapter of the book, that is Fundamentals of Physical Geography. The chapter's heading is Geography as a Discipline. Now, किसी भी चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करने से पहले ठीक है आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि चैप्टर का हेडिंग क्या बोल रहा है सो जियोग्राफी एज अ डिसिप्लिन सो डिसिप्लिन मीन्स इट इज़ अ हायर लेवल ऑफ सब्जेक्ट ओके सब्जेक्ट छोटा फॉर्म होता है डिसिप्लिन का मतलब हम लोग डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे सिंपल सा एक्सप्लेनेशन है ऑलराइट सो शैल वी स्टार्ट ओके Now, in this chapter, okay, you will know about geography as a subject. क्या है geography? हम क्यों geography पढ़ रहे हैं? ठीक है? And we will also study about how is geography related with other natural science and other sciences like social sciences and what are the different branches of geography. Then you'll come to know about the importance of physical geography. So in class 11 हम लोग geography सिर्फ physical geography पढ़ेंगे. But when we move up to class 12, you all will study about human geography. So इसी पॉइंट से मेरे माइंड में एक चीज़ स्ट्राइक हुआ ठीक है अभी फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी पढ़ रहे हो तो ज्योग्राफी as a discipline yeah subject okay there are various branches of geography so I'll just tell you about the three important branches of geography okay these are physical human and biogeography बोलते हैं ठीक है three important branches physical human biogeography so that's why in this class 11 we are studying about physical geography okay now we will come to the logical part ठीक है why should we study geography why क्यों पढ़ना है क्योंकि just because ये हमारे सब्जेक्ट का हिस्सा है या एक पार्ट बन गया है या हमें एग्जामिनेशन में अच्छे स्कोर करने हैं I would say no. Of course, examinations and everything is there. It's a general information, but why should we study geography? There are various reasons why I, you, and the others should study geography. See, we live on the surface of the earth, isn't it? हम अर्थ के सर्फेस में रहते हैं सो सर्फेस ऑफ द अर्थ क्या है हमारा सराउंडिंग है इट इज़ आवर सराउंडिंग एंड इसी सराउंडिंग में आप लोगों को बहुत सारे वेरियस फीचर्स मिलेंगे क्या वो सारे फीचर्स सेम है नो दे आर नॉट सेम इजंट इट दे आर सो डिफरेंट द वे दे लुक द वे दे परफॉर्म सो we should study geography to study this kind of variations around our surroundings ठीक है एंड हम लोग जो हम ह्यूमन बींग्स है कैसे अपने फिजिकल इन्वायरमेंट के साथ डिपेंडेंट है फॉर एग्जाम्पल ओके इन द पास्ट दैट इज द प्रिमिटिव सोसाइटी व्हाट वी से okay the old society we human beings were dependent on the environment how we used to collect edible plants hunt down animals and then survive हम लोग अपना इस तरह सर्वाइवल ढूंढते थे. लेकिन as technological advancement started, as technology advanced, people started understanding the nature better, and we converted our surroundings, we converted our earth, okay, in fact surface of the earth according to our needs. Okay, so this change the way we are interacting with the environment is important to study geography. ठीक है, सो याद रखना जितने भी फिजिकल फीचर्स है हमारी अर्थ सरफेस में, ओके, एंड द ह्यूमन बींग्स, वी आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन द इन्वायरमेंट. वी कैन नॉट सेपरेट आउटसेल्व्स फ्रॉम द इन्वायरमेंट. हम इन्वायरमेंट के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, हम अलग नहीं हो सकते, क्योंकि हम अपने अर्थ पे रह रहे हैं, लैंड सॉइल वाटर यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं हमारे बेनिफिट्स, हमारे नीड्स के लिए. ओके, नाउ वी ऑल्सो स्टडी ज्योग्राफी टू help appreciate the diversity and investigate into the causes responsible for creating such variations over time. Means geography will help you to appreciate, love the diversity that is in and around us, and what variations, कितना सारा change आया time के साथ, उस चीज़ में हमें appreciate करने का मौका देता है. कौन देता है? That is our subject, that is geography. Okay, now the next thing, that the reason why we should study geography is that as you study geography, you will learn, you will develop the skills to understand the globe converted into maps and have a visual sense of the earth's surface. Okay, आप लोगों को समझ में आएगा कि किस तरह ग्लोब को हम मैप्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, एंड हमारा ओवरऑल अर्थ का विजुअल सेंस कैसा है. Okay, that geography will teach us. Next, geography will also teach us to understand the skills of GIS and cartography equipment, okay, to also help in the process of development. Okay, meaning to say, okay, since geography is a practical based subject, ठीक है, हमें GIS के बारे में पता चलेगा, ये आप लोगों को पता चलेगा धीरे धीरे GIS है क्या. एंड कार्टोग्राफी मीन्स द आर्ट ऑफ मैप मेकिंग. Okay, we will learn these skills, and as we learn these skills, हमें जो हमारे सराउंडिंग्स में प्रॉब्लम्स है उसको सॉल्व करने का तरीका मिलेगा. सो याद रखना, ज्योग्राफी सिर्फ तुम्हें बता नहीं रहा है, बट तुम्हें सोचने के लिए भी मजबूर कर रहा है कि हम किस तरह किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, किस तरह डेवलपमेंट में कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हैं. Alright, now here I want to point out that what is cartography? As I told you, it's the art and science of map making. Remember, geography is studied with the help of maps. Maps are so important, isn't it? Maps, diagrams are so important in geography. Okay, so I hope you all have understood up to here that why should we study geography. Now, the next question that should strike your mind is, what is geography? Now, generally, everybody says that geography is the study of the earth. Okay, and people think it is only the study of mountains, hills, plateaus, rivers, etc. I would say no. Geography is not only the study of the earth, it is also the study of the relationship between man and environment. ठीक है, ये याद रखना, man and environment. It is the study of all those features, but also how we human beings are interacting with our environment. हम किस तरह अपने environment के साथ interact कर रहे हैं, किस तरह उसको change कर रहे हैं, उसको वो भी हम लोग geography में पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे लीजिए, जैसे फिजिकल फीचर्स ले लीजिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल लैंड, सॉइल, वाटर, दीज आर ऑल फिजिकल फीचर्स. ओके, now how do human beings convert these physical features? We have utilized the plains, the waters for our needs, and we have created what? Roads, railways, cities, ports, market, etc. Okay, so remember, it is not only the study of features. Okay, so with this, you all should remember who coined the term geography. ठीक है, किसने coin किया? Okay, so the term geography was first coined by Eratosthenes. ठीक है, the term geography term किसने coin किया? Eratosthenes. He was a Greek scholar. The time period was from 276 to 194 BC. Now let us know a small history about this person. Eratosthenes. Okay. Eratosthenes is considered as the father of geography. So एक और हमें नया point पता चल गया that he is referred as the father of geography. Now you will say why. Now because he coined the term geography. Besides that, इनका geography सब्जेक्ट जोग्राफी डिसिप्लिन में बहुत ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन है. इन्होंने बहुत सारा चीज़ डिस्कवर किया, ऐड किया जोग्राफी के फील्ड में. इन्होंने अर्थ का सर्कमफरेंस मेजर किया है. ओके, ही हैज़ डेवलप मैथमेटिकल drawing of latitudes and longitudes. That's why he's referred to as the father of geography. Now besides, he was a Greek scholar who lived in Alexandria, that is Egypt. Okay, so this was just a small intro of the person who coined the term geography. Okay, now the word geography has been derived from two Greek words, geo and graphos. Okay, remember, ये जो टर्म है geography उसको ग्रीक वर्ड से डिराइव किया गया है. जियो जिसका मीनिंग होता है अर्थ in English, and graphos which is a Greek word which means description. So when we put these two together, that is earth and description, what does it mean? It means geography means description of the earth. Okay, now there were various scholars and geographers who have defined geography, which is very important to understand for you all. Okay, so scholars, like there was one scholar whose name was L.D. Stamp. He has defined geography as what? The description of the earth as the abode of human beings. Okay, understood? Means description, geography is the study of the description of the earth as the abode means place, okay, of human beings. Now next, now besides this definition, geography सिर्फ description नहीं है जैसे मैंने बताया, it also studies the areal differentiation. ठीक है, अब याद रखना कि geography क्या पढ़ता है. Geography also studies the areal differentiation, and it is also considered as one of the objectives of geography. Now areal means area. Okay, differentiation means differences, means geography study the differences between two areas. Let us take one area and the other area. What are the differences between these two areas? That is aerial differentiation. मतलब एक एरिया दूसरे एरिया से किस तरह से डिफरेंट है उसको हम एरियल डिफरेंशिएशन बोलते हैं. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, let me take the example that is stated in your NCERT textbook. Okay, see, cropping patterns differ from one area to another area. We know that, isn't it? Means एक एरिया में एक टाइप ऑफ क्रॉपिंग होता है, दूसरे एरिया में दूसरा होता है. सो जोग्राफर्स का काम क्या होता है? नॉट ओनली ये डिफरेंस पढ़ना, बट ये भी समझना कि ये डिफरेंस क्यों है. ये डिफरेंस इसलिए है क्योंकि उस रीजन में डिफरेंट क्लाइमेट है, सॉइल्स है, डिमांड है, कैपेसिटी ऑफ द फार्मर डिफरेंट है, टेक्नोलॉजिकल इनपुट्स डिफरेंट है. सो दैट इज व्हाट ज्योग्राफी इज स्टडिंग. ज्योग्राफी इज स्टडिंग द वेरिएशंस एंड द रिलेशनशिप क्यों डिफरेंट है. ठीक है, okay, so with this we come to the another definition given by Richard Hartshorne. What did he say? He said that geography is concerned with the description and explanation of aerial differentiation of the earth's surface. Okay, so we again came to the another definition, so please remember these two definitions. Okay, this is very important. Okay, then we come to one more definition given by Hettner. He says that geography studies the differences of phenomena usually related in different parts of the Earth's surface. Okay, so what is he saying? Geography is studying the difference of phenomena, means the features, okay, that are usually related, means they are studying the difference जो एक तरह का होता है in the Earth's surface. Alright, very simple. Don't get confused in that. Okay, so up till now we have understood what is geography, why should we study geography, isn't it? Okay, now students, we are talking about geographical features phenomena. Now, are the geographical features same? For example, physical features क्या वैसे ही रहते जैसे वे थे? Human क्या बहुत ही static है, हम लोग constant है, हमारा change नहीं हो रहा है? Remember, geographical phenomena, चाहे वो physical हो, human हो, they are not static. They have been changing over time. Means जो पहले ज़माने में primitive society में था, उस तरह से क्या हुआ है, geographical phenomena change हुआ है because of interaction between man and environment, or the physical features and the humans. Okay, so this change in the geographical features have been brought about by two important concepts. Okay, so here, if you read your NCERT textbook, okay, they have two important concepts how this dynamic relationship between man environment has changed. Okay, I'll just explain it in my words in a very short manner. You can always read the book for a better understanding. Okay, so the two concepts in which the man environment relationship has changed, okay, this is known as naturalization naturalization of humans, and number two, it is known as humanization of nature. Okay, remember, naturalization of humans or naturalized humans. Number two, humanization of nature or humanized nature. Okay, so first I'll tell you about naturalization of humans. Okay, see, in the past, okay, this is a concept of the past. So in the past, what kind of relationship between was there between nature and man? Very close relationship matlab, of course today also we have close relationship, मतलब जो humans थे in the past, टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं था उस टाइम में, सो वो डायरेक्टली डिपेंडेंट थे अपने इन्वायरमेंट फॉर फूड, शेल्टर एंड क्लोथिंग. दे वर डायरेक्टली डिपेंडेंट. ओके, सो whatever the primitive society or the past society offered, humans accepted because humans were not so developed technologically, they were not advanced culturally, वो advanced नहीं थे. So जो nature देता था वो accept करते थे. For example, food के लिए वो hunting करते थे. Okay, they did not have good shelter, they did not have clothing, isn't it, the early human times? Okay, now as okay, this particular concept, okay, of humans getting naturalized was known as naturalization of humans. ठीक है, वो human beings environment पे dependent थे. They obeyed the nature and nature was the master and humans, you can say, were the slaves. So there was that kind of interaction. Now as society progressed, as technology started, as cultural development started, what happened to the relationship between the man and environment? It became so dynamic. Matlab, now nature, you can say, it became the slave and humans became the master. Now humans started converting, utilizing land, water, soil to construct roads, buildings, highways, expressways, etc. Okay, टेक्नोलॉजिकली बहुत ज़्यादा एडवांस्ड हो गया, सोसाइटी कल्चरली एडवांस्ड हो गया. सो इस एडवांसमेंट के कॉन्सेप्ट को वी टर्म इट एज ह्यूमनाइजेशन ऑफ नेचर. मीन्स द नेचर हैज़ बिकम्ड ह्यूमनाइज्ड. जहाँ भी देखो ह्यूमन इंडेवियर, ह्यूमन एक्टिविटी का छाप, इम्प्रिंट मिलेगा. लैंड पे जाओ बिल्डिंग्स मिलेगा, वाटर में जाओ वाटर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, एयर में जाओ एयर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ओके, you go to anywhere, agriculture is happening. Okay, the industries are being constructed on the land. So what has happened to the nature? Human ka imprint chhap par gaya hai. That is known as humanization of nature. So understood how this dynamic relationship has changed from the past till the present. So this is studied under geography. Okay, okay, now the interaction between the physical environment and human beings has been described by a poet in the following dialogue between human and nature. What has the poet said? That you created the soil, I created the cup. Understood what I'm trying to say? Human and nature, that's God के बीच में जो poet ने लिखा है, you created night, I created the lamp. So can you see the dynamic or the interaction between environment and human beings? You created wilderness, hilly terrains and desert, I created flower beds and gardens. Okay, so this is what the interaction is all about. All right, okay, so whatever I said now, this has all been elaborated in your textbook. Okay, so I hope you all have understood up to here. Now see, I'm going very slow so that you understand, since this is the first class in the first chapter, right, on this book. Okay, now, since the chapter's heading is geography as a discipline, ठीक है, अब हम लोगों ने सब कुछ हमारे माइंड में क्लियर हो गया, हम क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं, क्या है ज्योग्राफी, कैसा इंटरेक्शन है. Okay. Now remember, these three questions are very important in the field of geography. Now geography as a discipline is associated with three sets of questions. Means whenever you are studying geography, always remember that the three important questions that should come in your mind, these are what, where, and why. Three w's. Okay, w, you can say that. What are those? These are what, where, and why. ठीक है. सो जब भी हम ज्योग्राफी पढ़े, what, क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, मीन्स what are we studying? Natural. Cultural features mean man-made features. Okay. Where? Now where means, याद रखना, ज्योग्राफी में सिर्फ हम डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं पढ़ते, वी ऑल्सो स्टडी कि वो कहाँ लोकेटेड है. Okay, so geography is also studying about the distribution. Most important, you are studying any natural phenomena. Suppose, let's say, you are studying about the different kinds of natural vegetation. You will study, not only study the types of natural vegetation, but we will also study where it is located. कौन से country में उस टाइप का नेचुरल वेजिटेशन मिलता है, कौन से कंट्री में एवरग्रीन है, कौन से कंट्री में डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट्स है. दैट इज द क्वेश्चन ऑफ वाई. ऑलराइट, देन वी स्टडी वाई. मीन्स whatever we are studying, whatever kind of natural or the cultural features or the phenomena we are studying, why is it like that? ऐसा क्यों है? All right, so these three questions are very important to be kept in mind. Okay, so this much for today. In the next coming classes, I will tell you about the next topic, that is geography as an integrating discipline. So thank you for watching.